If you remember from lesson 2, we used Google Fonts to actually pick the things we wanted. We looked through all of this and we picked the kind of typography that we needed. But what we want to do next is use this typography on our website. How do we do this? So what were the two typefaces that we used? So again, I can go back to my local styles and just see what we're using. Josephine Sands was the H heading 1. Josephine Sands was heading 2. This was in different weight though, so something to kind of be aware of. And this was Nonito Sans. So we actually need two typefaces, one with two weights in here. So again, back on Google Fonts, the first thing we're going to do is search for Josephine Sans. If I spell it correctly, there it is. Okay, so we're going to pick this one and we want to add it to our site. This is exactly what we need. How do we select this style? Well, you might guess over here, it says select this style. What style do we want to pick? Well, if we again look back, we can see in this one, we want to pick the semi-bold weights, and in heading 2, we want to pick the regular weights. So I want to pick this semi-bold one, select, there it is, and here we want the regular weight, select, there we go, we've got 2 ready to go. Well, we also want to use Nonito Sans as well, so again, I'm just going to go back and find this. So this is Nonito Sans, there it is, and we want to use the regular for this one. So we've got this ready to go. Here what we can do is either download the families or we can embed these fonts into a web page, which is what we want to do. So I'm going to click embed and let's see what it gives us. So there's a few ways to do this. We can actually do it as in HTML or we can use this at import way. Now there's 2 ways to kind of think about this. I actually prefer the at import way. And the reason for this is it kind of ties up with the CSS, it's how it looks. Again, this is personal preference. So what I'm going to do is inside this, I'm not going to take all of this, I'm just going to take this one line inside these style tags. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go into my CSS code and right at the top of this, I'm going to paste that. So this is pasting this in. Now what I can do is use these font families. And it says in here, I can use it as Josephine Sans and Nonito Sans in my CSS. So what I can do now is if I look at the page, nothing changes. The reason nothing changes is because I'm not actually changing this from Arial. The body family, which one do I want to use? Well, if we look at the default style of the page, the body style of the page is this one over here. And this one is our body style. And what is our body style? Again, if I just quickly go and edit this, it is Nonito Sans. So the default I prefer to be the basic one, Nonito Sans. So hopefully what we'll see now is on our site, everything is switched into this Nonito Sans style. We want to change different things though. We want to change this navigation to look a little bit different too. So where do we want to change this? Well, we want to change this in a particular style. We want to change this font size 40 to also be a different font family. So with this, we're also going to do h1-nav. We're also going to add in font-family for Josephine, if I spell it correctly again, Josephine Sans. And the font weight isn't 700, we actually picked 600. 600 is the semi-bold version of this, so we're going to pick 600 there as well. So what we'll see now is if we look at the site, we'll have this in the correct typography. This one down here is in a P tag because we're not overwriting it in our CSS. This will be Nonito Sans. But because this is in a nav tag up here, this is now font family Josephine Sans. So this is kind of how CSS works. We overwrite the things we want to overwrite. The default is going to be the body copy, and then we pick and choose what we want to change.